Do you have a closet that sits under your stairs? One with a sloped ceiling? Put this space to use. Buy or find around your house some larger sized tension rods. Secure one of the tension rods horizontally across the width of the closet. After measuring, I ran into a bit of a problem in that one of my tension rods was not long enough by just a smidge. Take a tennis ball and cut a slit into the ball. Then slip it over the end of the tension rod to add just a little more length to the rod. Now all of your wrapping paper is in one place, up off the floor, and easy to access for gift wrapping throughout the year. Do you have magazine file holders? Empty what you have or buy a couple of new ones. These holders are perfect for storing small boxes. They are also perfect for storing and organizing small gift bags. Nice bows are too expensive to just throw away. Place your bows inside the plastic bag in a single layer. At the same time, save and recycle wired ribbon from holiday packages that have already been opened. Smooth the ribbon with your fingers and wrap into a neat roll. Place these rolls of ribbon into a separate plastic bag. Next, clip a skirt or pant hanger to the top of the zippered plastic bags. Hang the hangers in a closet and you can easily see all of your bows and recycled ribbons in one place. Speaking of ribbon, rolls of holiday ribbon can get out of hand. First, secure all the ends of the ribbon to the ribbon roll with a straight pin. Then, take a mesh laundry bag, you can find these at the dollar store, and lay the secured ribbon rolls into the bag. Place a plastic hanger inside the top of the laundry bag and pull the bag cord shut. Now you can hang all of your ribbon rolls in the closet beside your recycled ribbons and bows. You can see what you have and none of the ribbon rolls will come undone. I hope this inspired you to organize your holiday wrapping supplies with these simple storage hacks.
When it's time to put away all that holiday decor, don't go out and buy yourself a bunch of containers. You can use what you've got right here. Each of my kids has a little Christmas tree in their room, so I just grabbed this tomato container. All the little ornaments fit neatly inside, and then you're able to close it up. So I've taken the top row of lights off of my kids' tree, and I'm going to start by just putting one of the ends of the lights through the tube, and then you're just going to start wrapping the lights around. The longer the strand, obviously, the more this is going to take, especially if you've got shorter strands. This works really well. You're going to wind the whole thing up around the paper towel tube. Double up if you have to, it's totally fine. And then when you get to the end, you are going to secure prong end into that first end that you started with. And this is a good way just to keep it clasped. And at the top of the tube, just right where it goes. Next, I love the wire lights for all of my centerpieces, but they are such a pain to not be one tangled mess. So an idea that I have, again, with a toilet paper tube, I trim a little slit in the top to feed that first wire through. And then when you get to the very end, I cut another little notch in the other end of the toilet paper tube for the other end of the wire before the battery piece slides into the middle, so that keeps it nice and protected. This is one of my favorite things to do because these wire lights are such a pain to store. The next is going to be ribbon. I love to put ribbon on my tree in tiers, but I can never remember which length of ribbon is which tier. And so by taking the individual ribbon pieces and rolling them up and sliding them inside a toilet paper roll, I can then mark on it which tier it is. And this is just really easy ways to use things you probably already have on hand at home to pack up after the holidays.
Ready to pack away all of your stuff? If you have extension cords, wrap them up and wind them up, then cut a toilet paper tube in half and stuff the extension cord in. It will keep them nice and organized and from getting tangled until next year. Grab a storage tote of any size, grab a dowel and break it in half. Place it on either side of the handle inside your bin. Grab your ornaments, leave the hooks on, and hook all of the ornaments onto these dowels. This will keep your ornaments safe with the space around them. Place the lid on top and they're ready to be stored. Stop your ribbon from getting tangled or making a mess. Place all of your spools into a basket. Pull all of the ends through the holes in the baskets. Then grab a little skewer and weave it through the center of all of the ribbon to hold them into place. What do you do with all of those gift bags at the end of the season? Well, start by grabbing a magazine rack. Place all of the bags into the magazine rack, and this will help them store vertically as well as keep them all together and organized. Grab an apron, fold the top down, and then fold the bottom up. Hot glue the edges, grab your pockets, and wrap them around a bucket of your choice. Add things to your storage container. Add things like wrapping paper, tissue paper, scissors. Grab a shoe organizer and an over-the-door hanging rack. Cut the bottoms out of the top row of all of the pockets. Hang the shoe organizer onto the over-the-door organizer. Slide your wrapping paper in so it slides through the top pocket and into the bottom pocket. This will keep all of your wrapping paper organized and easy to grab until next year.